Everybody, it's in here at Danny Reviews, and stop guessing where you've already sprayed and start saving money on your lawn care. If you've ever tackled a big DIY herbicide or fertilizer project, you know the struggle of trying to remember exactly where you left off. You either end up with a big missed patch, or even worse, you double dosed your grass and the risk of burning it. And so this is exactly why I use this Liquid Harvest Laser Blue Spray pattern indicator. This stuff here is a total game changer for precision. It's a super concentrated blue dye that you can mix right into your sprayer with your other products. And you can see here, you get this nice measuring, so you're not going to waste any product to get the exact amount you need. So it helps catch, this will also help to catch product drift before it hits the prized flowers in your garden bed. It ensures you're using just the right amount, like I said here, with this nice measuring component on top. So you get the right amount of chemical each time you fill your sprayer. And it saves you a ton of money in the long run. The best part is that this is temporary. It's designed to fade away with the sunlight and moisture. So your lawn just isn't blue forever. It stays blue long enough for you to get the job done right, but then it fades away. I have found this to be an essential tool for a professional looking lawn. So I highly recommend picking up a bottle of this Liquid Harvest Laser Blue, and a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review before your next big project, because this will make your life so much easier in the long run. And again, this will just be something that you'll want in your lawn routine to have on you.